Do you want to start learning Norwegian all the way from the very beginning, but you don't know where to start? My name is Kristine Varden, and I'm going to show you how learning Norwegian has never been easier and more interesting than with our online course package Viking offer for beginners. Our full, all-inclusive and flexible online course packages will take you through all the levels, from basic level A0 to advanced intermediate B2. This course includes pre-recorded grammar, conversation and pronunciation videos. And it also includes teachers' lengthy yet easy to understand explanations. And you'll get a total of 12 books for grammar and conversation. You'll also get grammar exercises and vocabulary lists for all of the conversation topics. And you'll have midterms and final term evaluations after each level. And lastly, you'll get repetition videos, repetition lectures, and an overview of past material and topics. And you'll get motivational videos from our most popular teachers to encourage you to speak better and more. And most importantly, teachers' guidance 24/7, because throughout the entire duration of your course, you will be able to ask any question that you might have and be able to get a response from a teacher, any teacher that you would prefer. And you will also get a correction of all your oral and written assignments, because you'll also be able to send in texts and audios, and you will get a personalized feedback to any task. And also, if you not only want to be able to speak the language, but you want to become a Norwegian resident as well and pass the Norsk exam, well, we actually have the Viking offer for beginners package in a plus version. And this is what you get in the extra package. You will get full preparation courses for both Norsk A2 to B1 and B1 to B2, including previous text examples, grammar videos and books for each course. You'll also get an explanation and tips from our most popular teachers on how to pass the national exam, and we guarantee that you're going to pass the national exam. In addition to this, you're going to get lots of exercises, similar to the types who you might encounter while taking the Norsk yourself. Will you be our next Viking? See you in our courses!